Hello.
Hi,
Welcome back.
welcome back to your English practice time on VocabTunes.
Take a deep breath
Relax,
and get ready to learn English slowly.
step by step.
Today's lesson is very simple.
Yes, very simple but very powerful.
Today we learn
Simple questions in English.
questions you can use every day,
At home,
with friends,
at work,
anywhere.
and remember,
You don't need perfect English
you just need simple English.
and confidence. Before we start,
If you enjoy learning with us,
please like the video.
and subscribe,
It helps us.
and helps you learn more.
Let's start easy.
Very easy.
When you meet someone, you say, "How are you?"
Repeat.
How are you? Again, slowly. How are you?
Good.
Now answer. I'm good.
Repeat.
I'm good. Or I'm fine. Again, I'm fine. Let's make a conversation. Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
Listen carefully. And you?
Repeat.
And you? Good job.
Now imagine you are at home.
You ask, what are you doing?
What are you doing?
Repeat, what are you doing?
Answer. I am cooking.
Or, I am watching TV.
Repeat. I am cooking. I am watching TV.
Now your turn. What are you doing?
Maybe you are studying English.
Good choice.
Now, talking to a friend.
You ask, where are you going?
Where are you going?
Repeat, where are you going?
Answer. I am going home.
Or, I am going to the store.
Repeat. I am going home. I am going to the store.
Next question. Who are you with?
Who are you with?
Answer, I am with my friend.
Repeat. I am with my friend.
Now, daily life questions. What do you want?
What do you want?
Answer, I want coffee.
Or, I want food.
Repeat, I want coffee. I want food.
Now, another question. Do you like coffee?
Do you like coffee? Answer, yes, I do.
Or, no, I don't. Repeat. Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Now we repeat.
Listen and speak.
How are you? What are you doing? Where are you going? Who are you with? What do you want? Do you like coffee? Again, how are you? What are you doing? Where are you going?
Let's have fun. Brian, I ask you, what are you doing?
I am teaching English.
Good answer.
Now you. Where are you going?
I am going to eat.
Again with food.
Always food.
Now you. Do you like English? We hope you say,
Yes, I do.
let's practice one more time.
Repeat after us.
How are you? I'm good. What are you doing? I am studying. Where are you going? I am going home. Do you like coffee? Yes, I do.
You are doing great.
Really great.
Keep practicing.
Every day.
Speak slowly.
Speak clearly.
Tell us in the comments.
Answer this. What do you like?
Example. I like music.
Or, I like food.
We want to read your answers.
And help you improve.
See you next time.
Keep practicing.
And keep speaking English.